Sorry about that. Am I doing this wrong? Taking them out? Are they actually... Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so... Well, I didn't know. Magic of editing. Alright, there we go. So everything's out. This is trash. Alrighty then. My goodness gracious. Okay. Okay, so there's the horse, there's the stand. Now, this feels... Yeah, this feels lighter than the original one. To me, I think it was a little heavier. I think. I had a little die cast in it. I'm not too sure, but I think it felt heavier than this one. The original Stridor. So, alright, so the guns. Oh. Am I doing it right? I'm doing it wrong. Oh, you figure, I guess so you can take them off and use them as a weapon? As a handgun or something? I'm not too sure. Alright, so there, that one's in. And that one's in. There we go. The camera forward. So this, which way? This way, right? So you put this in like that. I guess. Okay, yeah, just like this. So you have this little tab here. There's a tab right here that goes here. There's another right in here, and there's another little slot here, and the tab on this side. Actually, it doesn't have a tab on that side. I'm wrong. Oh, it's up here. Sorry. It's a tab right up here. Right up here. There's a tab here, so you don't screw up. So you put this in like that. Now, I will not, right now, I will not put Stridor on here like this. It looks funny. It looks funny. Right? It does. It looks kind of, yeah. Like, he can't, like, with this, he can't even, like, seriously. Like, he's floating. He's floating in midair. Like, it looks funny. So, there's the horse. Now, what I might do, see how this looks. This might look funny. You'll see in a sec. Move Stridor over there. Does it fit? No, it don't fit. Okay, well, there we go. Hey, you know what? Yeah, I tried. Can't blame me for trying. So one Raider don't fit on there. Oh, okay. That review's coming soon. Alright, so let's move this to the side. So you want to see him probably with the other mask on. Actually, never say never. It actually doesn't look bad. I've seen reviews and they're like, yeah, actually it does not look bad. I don't, that's what's throwing me off. The big horn thing. But, let's see. Yeah, actually it looks good. Without this stupid little horn thing, because he's not, okay, he's a unicorn. Well, I mean, it's in the wrong spot. Unicorn there, right there, but it just looks... Yeah, I know it's probably from the comic, but anyways, it looks good. Sorry, it looks really good. It does. Okay. So I might display it sometimes with this on, you know. And of course, there we go, it's coming off. I like the detail. Yeah. Yep. Look at those nice baby blue eyes. Yeah, and as a kid, I lost these. I think a lot of people lost these. A lot of them. And this. I had this. And the guns. And the tail. But the only thing I lost was this. Yep. I had everything else. But I think a lot of people probably lose the tail, lose this gun, they lose this. Alright? Yeah, because the tail, I think before it could come off. Right, or it broke off and stuff. But I always had it. Yep. Alright, now, sorry for my rambling and everything. Sorry for everything. So the gun on the back turns. Yeah. Side to side, the tail turns up and down. Like that. And as you see in his herd, the ratchet legs. Remember in the original, these never moved. And then there's knees, the ankles. So it has this one, that one, that one. There you go, that moves. No ratchet in the front. There. Sorry, the knee, front, and the ankle moves. Same thing with the other one. There. Look at that. Sorry. There you go. Just like that. Alright. There's Stridor, and let's see if you go on your horse now. Alright. What a really, really cool horse. And that's Fisto and Stridor. And here's all. Okay, that's not staying. There you go. Zoom out. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, link down below. I'll see you next time. And be well, and this is the way.